Something interesting is happening on ATH coin. And if you've been watching this chart closely, you'll notice a major shift in momentum. What once looked like a strong sell-off has now turned into a potential reversal zone. The market structure is changing, and the next move could decide whether ATH continues its climb or begins another fall. So let's break down everything you need to know. Step by step, in our previous analysis on the 1 hour time frame, I mentioned that if the price broke below our key trend line and retested it, we should expect a strong sell continuation, and that's exactly what happened. Price broke structure, came back for the retest, and gave us a massive move down, all the way from 29 cents to around 22 cents. That's a huge sell opportunity that played out perfectly. If you followed that analysis, you probably caught a solid trade. Now we've shifted to the 4 hour chart, and this is where the real setup begins to take shape. The overall market is now forming a clear series of higher highs and higher lows, which means we've officially entered an uptrend structure. Buyers are starting to show strength, and the price action is aligning with bullish momentum. If we connect our ascending trend line, you'll see that it has been respected multiple times. Each time the market touches this level, we get a strong rejection, followed by a move upward, showing that buyers are defending this zone with confidence. Here's what I'll be watching closely. If the market comes back to this trend line around 24 cents and we see a bullish candlestick pattern, that's a strong signal to buy from there to the upside. But if the market fails to respect this trend line and instead breaks below it, that means sellers are starting to take control again. In that case, I'll patiently wait for a retest around $0.024 and look for a bearish confirmation candle before taking a sell position downwards. This is why patience and confirmation are everything in trading. Don't jump in too early just because it looks bullish. Let the market show you a clear reaction first, because that reaction tells you who's really in control. So, to summarize our ATH coin setup, our previous 1 hour setup played out beautifully with a clean breakout and sell-off. So on the 4 hour time frame, the market is now shifting into an uptrend structure. If price respects the 0.024 trend line, we'll look for a bullish entry and buy from there to the next high. But if price breaks below that level, we'll wait for the retest and look for a bearish setup to sell. So what do you think? Will the buyers hold the line and continue pushing ATH higher, or will sellers return to drag the price back down? Let me know what you think in the comments. Until then, trade smart, manage your emotions, and I'll see you in the next video.